On this episode of TGIF, thank goodness it's Folsom,
and beyond.
We are here at the donut shop in Folsom getting ready to meet the owner, Van, and he's going to come in, or he's going to come here and walk us through everything that they have to offer here at their donut shop and more.
All right, let's go inside.
All right, let's do it.
We're Renee,
And Maic Friedrich,
local realtors here in El Dorado Hills
and this is TGIF. Thank goodness it's Folsom.
and beyond. This is your all-access pass to all the best places to go, things to see, best dining, and all of our favorite hotspots in all the cities surrounding Folsom Lake.
Join us as we check out everything great around the lake that makes living around Folsom Lake one of the best places to be in Northern California. This is TGIF.
Hi, and welcome back to another episode of TGIF. Thank goodness it's Folsom.
And beyond.
Hi, I'm Van. I'm the owner of the donut shop here in Folsom.
We have been purchasing your donuts to bring out to some of our referral partners, and they're loving it.
Good.
And of course, every time we come, we can't not have a donut, and this is like absolutely torture right now looking at all of these wonderful creations. Can you tell us a little bit about how you got your business started here?
We're a small business. I'm the owner. There's no partners. Growing up, my parents had donut shops, so I always ended up working at their shop. So yeah, I wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, do my delivery rounds, and then I'd go home, shower real quick. Sometimes I wouldn't even shower, I'd go straight to school.
That's quite a work ethic for a high school kid. That's amazing.
And on top of that, I think I was doing a paper route too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it taught me hard work pays off.
Well, your Yelp reviews are amazing. That's actually how we found you at the beginning, and I think
great,
it was all
yeah.
about the maple bacon
Maple
donut.
bacon, yes. Yeah, and thanks to all our great customers here in Folsom. You can't beat having business in Folsom. People are great.
Absolutely.
We open at 4:30, 7 days a week.
Wow.
We deliver 7 mornings a week. We have our regular standing delivery clients here in Folsom. We service pretty much all the gas stations here in Folsom.
Wow.
We service Intel, we service Bayside Church.
So I'm curious, when you open at 4:30 in the morning, what does it mean? When do you have to start baking?
Well, our baker comes in at between 10 to 11 o'clock p.m.
Wow.
It's quite a process making donuts because you gotta mix the dough, you gotta let it rest, you gotta roll it out, you gotta cut them into the shape that you want, and then you gotta proof them. That's even before getting them into the fryer and icing them. So it's quite a process. And working here, it's hard to not eat 2-3 donuts a day, but
I bet.
I mean, you have obviously your signature donuts, the regular donuts. Tell us a little bit about your menu.
Yeah, strawberries and cream are what's on the menu right now, and people absolutely love them. It's one of our donut of the moment that we run for at least a month, if not longer, just because people, they get pretty upset when
When it goes away?
When it goes away, so
Oh, no.
we keep it for about a month and a half.
Yeah.
One of our favorite donut moments, which is now on our regular menu, is our Creme Brulee, and that's one of the donuts that I'm really proud of. It's quite a special donut because it takes so much time to make it. You have to torch the top so it gets all nice and caramely and all crispy, just like how a creme brulee is.
Right.
And then the inside is a vanilla egg custard. So
I'm excited to try that
yeah,
one.
definitely.
Yes.
It's a great donut. This is basically our take on a cream puff. It's a crispy egg dough. And the filling is a vanilla filling, and then we roll in powdered sugar. It's a great donut for when you have a baby shower or weddings. We make birthday donuts, which are basically a bigger version of whatever donut you want, really. We do glazed donuts, we can do say like a chocolate bar or
Rainbow sprinkle.
rainbow sprinkle. Absolutely.
All of your staff, it seems like they really interact so well with the
Yeah,
clients, and
I
they
absolutely have
call them by
great
name,
staff,
and
yeah.
and so I mean that's just really heartwarming and goes to show the level of commitment that you have to the community and that your staff does too.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
Yeah, I love them. They love the shop. It works out great,
That's super cool.
Yeah. In addition to donuts, we carry great coffee. We actually use a local coffee roaster right out of Rockland called Vanelli's. Their coffee is really really good.
It's very delicious.
Yeah.
I've been enjoying my cup.
Good.
Absolutely.
We also do breakfast sandwiches, so if you're not in the mood for a donut, you can always have, something more substantial like a breakfast sandwich.
So, you mentioned Folsom being such a strong community, and we love that so many of our local businesses here do so much to give back to the community. I know you do as well.
We
do you want
do.
to share some of the fun things
We
that you're
do.
doing?
One of the programs that we have is it's called a fundraising program. We'll match you dozen for dozen. So if you buy a dozen, we'll give you a dozen, and that's specifically for fundraising. Like Girl Scouts. We've had Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts.
I'm sure some of the schools.
Sports team, schools. So if you're doing any kind of fundraising, we'll be more than happy to supply you with donuts.
Awesome.
That's very generous. I mean, 1-for-1 match. That's,
we'll
that's
give-
amazing.
Of course, people come into the shop and
Yes.
can get their donuts here, but how else can they find your donuts?
Online. We have a website where you can order donuts to be delivered. We just ask that you do it 48 hours in advance. And we deliver to anywhere in Folsom, up to El Dorado Hills, Orangevale, and Rancho.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Great. So I can't wait really for Renee to have this one right here in your face. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Thank Goodness It's Folsom.
And beyond.
We really enjoyed meeting with Van today, and if you liked the episode, please remember to comment, share, and like.
And if you know of a local restaurant or business that we should feature on an upcoming episode, please reach out. You can direct message us, of course, or you can reach us by phone at 916-283-7444.
Thanks again, and take care.
See you next time.
Bye. I can't believe it. No, not mine. Have your own.
You're going to get your own.
There's a couple. Okay, I'll try this too. All right, since I have it all over my face.
Oh my God.